Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix call recording feature is not available in iPhone. If you are using an iPhone, you're facing the issue that you are unable to find call recording feature. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So you just have to simply go to your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. Once you have updated your software, you just have to simply go back, and if you're finding the issue, so you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone, because sometimes it might be a temporary glitch or a bug, so you can easily fix that by restarting your iPhone. How to do this? Just quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. Once your phone has been restarted, you just have to unlock your phone and just go to your settings app. In settings, just scroll down and look for apps section. Select apps. Further scroll down and look for phone app here. Just select phone app, and in phone app you just have to scroll down and you will get the audio call recording option. Just select this and enable this from here. Once you have enabled, now you can easily record your calls in your iPhone, or it will automatically record your audio calls. So in this way you can easily record your iPhone calls. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.